Hi. Hi, I'm Glenn.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
Hi, my name's Tim.
And I'm Emma.
Is the teacher coming?
Is he the teacher?
He's asleep. Let's wake him up.
Hi. Hello. Are you the teacher?
Yep. I'm the teacher. It's time, isn't it?
10 o'clock acting class?
Oh, yes. Acting class. I'm Albert. Glenn. Oh, hi, Glenn.
Rebecca.
Rebecca.
I'm Tim.
Hi, Tim.
And I'm Emma.
Wow, well, welcome to my class. Please. Now, did you really think that I was asleep?
Yes, you were.
Gotcha! I was only acting.
Oh, I want to act too.
Acting isn't that easy.
Please teach me.
We all want to be actors.
Right.
Okay. First, learn to show the audience how your characters feel and think.
What are characters?
Well, they are the roles in a play, show, or film. My heart aches. I can't breathe.
Oh, he's having a heart attack. Dial 999, quick.
999. Come on, dial it. 9 comes after 8.
What's wrong?
9.
Oh, stop! Stop! I was only acting. Can't you see, audience? That was a character I played.
Bravo!
Now, pick a role. Read the lines. Good actors must learn their lines well.
Meat, sir, meat. Please, sir, I want some more.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
You first, Tim.
Yes. Okay. But above all, I will never forget who this victory truly belongs to. It belongs to you.
Do you know who speaks these lines?
I'm a world leader.
It's the President of the United States. You must learn the way he speaks and moves. Look your audience in the eye. Speak up. Use gestures like this. But above all, I will never forget who this victory truly belongs to. It belongs to you.
Yes, Albert.
Hi, Rebecca. How's it going?
Please, sir, I want some more. Meat, sir, meat.
What's your role?
A hungry beggar.
Your voice and face do not show it.
It's because I've never been a beggar.
Ah. When you're out and about, look at the way people show their feelings. All you can do now is try to imagine that there's no food or drink. Your stomach is rumbling. What will you do?
Ask for food.
Show it on your face. Show how much you want it. Don't just say it.
Okay.
Keep practicing.
Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak.
Come on, Emma. Let me see and hear your role.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
Ah, you're doing the voiceover of a rat.
Yes, it found food.
Then make it the happiest sound in the world.
Squeak, squeak.
That's right. Glenn, are you ready? Okay.
Go away. I'm all right. Now I shall go to sleep. Forever. Goodbye.
Who knows what character he's playing? Go on, Glenn.
I see black light. Oh, do not cry. Be good children, and we will all meet in heaven.
Oh, you sound like a dying man.
Bingo! Well done. As an audience, we can see and hear how your character feels. Right, time's up. Go home and practice in front of a mirror. Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Next week.
See you next week.
Freedom is a gift from God. The Patriots of 1770.
The road ahead will be long. But America.
I'm all right. Now, I shall go to sleep.
Please, sir, I want some more. Hungry. I have been walking these 7 days.
Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. So, what do you think we're going to be doing today?
How did you feel yesterday?
I think if I understood.
Hello, everybody.
Hi,
Today, I'm going to take you to meet someone.
Who?
The director.
Great! Meeting the director!
There is an audition today. You might get a part in a film if the director likes your acting.
I want that!
But before that, let's do some warm-up exercises here. Stand up straight. Take slow and deep breaths. Say after me. Tiki tiki tembo ricky ricky vuki. Tiki tembo ricky vuki. Pembo peri pookie rookie.
Tiki tiki temboree.
Ricky, Vicky, Ticky.
Ticky,
Ticky, Ticky, Timber, Ricky.
Tiki tiki, pember perry.
Well done, side. Chin up.
Tiki tiki temboree.
Nice and relaxed. Perfect. Now, imagine you are a big, big pencil. There is a piece of paper in front of you. Write the number 9. Then number 12.
That's good.
Very good. Well done.
Which number?
60.
How about 44?
That's a good idea.
Okay,
Let's
let's
do
try
44.
44, yeah.
Mwah. Wonderful. What number did you write there, Tim?
Oh, 88.
Oh, yeah. Hey! Hey! Mine is 100! Oh dear.
Oh my goodness, you okay?
Are you okay?